Hey, it's Doug with another technology review. Let's talk about water alarms. I've mentioned these before in prior videos, but I think it's worth discussing again. These water alarms were designed for overflow on sump pumps, but today there's dozens of applications to give you an early warning of a water leak. I use them under every bath and kitchen sink, behind the water heaters and water softeners, and behind my washing machine. These alarms have alerted me of leaks 3 times since I moved into Trilogy 7 years ago. If you've watched my air conditioning condensation video, you know how I use them in the overflow drain pan. Mold and mildew mitigation can cost thousands of dollars and disrupt your life for months. These are cheap investments that'll help you sleep better at night. Here's the pros and cons. They're battery operated, and a standard 9-volt battery will last up to 5 years. At 110 decibels, you'll be able to hear these anywhere in your house, and the battery will support 3 days of continuous alarming. You can pick them up at Lowe's or Amazon for about $13. The cons are that the batteries in the attic or garage may not last as long in the heat. And probably the biggest con is that there's no alert notification capability to your phone. You have to be home to hear the alarm. I have been experimenting with a few smart water sensors, but they need other devices to operate, which makes it much more expensive. I think they'll improve in the future, but today they have a lot to be desired. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.